Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Liunx Purple 2024.2 on VirtualBox. First, download the Kali Liunx Purple edition. Go to kali.org, click on download. If you scroll down, we will be able to find Kali Liunx Purple edition. Scroll down one more time. See here we have the Kali Purple. So before that, click on Kali Purple documentation. Open in new tab. See, this is the definition. See, here we have the Kali Purple consists of more defensive tools. Okay, so that purpose we are going to install. Click on get Kali Liunx site, then click on download. See, this is just download ISO file, but this is to download Kali Liunx Purple 2024.2 via torrent link. Okay, so click on download. I'm going to use the, see, download has been started. Go to download. See, its size is 3.9 gigabytes. Wait until this download completes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you haven't installed Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. See, I don't have any virtual machines. Now click on this new or machine and select new. Both are same to create the virtual machine on VirtualBox. So click on new, then provide the name. So I'm giving name as Kali, P means Purple 2024 2. Okay, copy this one. Then this is the virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on this drop down button, then select other, then choose the path where you have the enough space. Okay. Create new folder, give the name, click on select folder, select it, select the ISO image. So select the downloaded ISO image, click on other, then select the Kali Liunx 2024 installer purple ISO. Click on open, then click on next. See here by default it has selected 2 gigabytes as memory and number of CPU cores 1. So I'm going to give and I'm increasing the memory or RAM to 4 gigabytes. Then click on next. Then increase the virtual hard disk size to 100. Okay. Then click on next. This is the summary of the virtual machine hardware. Then click on finish. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. Still, if you want to edit any one of these settings, right click on it and select the settings, or select settings, or select it and click on machine and select the settings. All three options are same. Okay. See, ISO is mounted. Everything is okay. Now click on start to start the installing Kali Liunx Purple 2024 on VirtualBox. Or right click and select the start and select the normal start. Both options are same. So click on start. Let me maximize this one. Use the up and down arrows and select the first option, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Then select the language and click on continue. Select location and click on continue. I am going with United States, then click on continue. Keyboard, I am going with American English, then click on continue. Now we have to provide host name. By default it has selected Kali. So I am giving Kali 2024P and click on continue. I don't want to add this host to any domain. So keep it as blank and click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So first we have to provide the full name for the user. I am giving user full name as Arthoscus and username also same. So click on continue. See, this is the username. Okay, click on continue, then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same, then click on continue. select the clock and click on continue. Now next, partition disks. I am not going to do anything, so select the guided and entire disk. Later I can do the partitioning. Click on continue, select it, continue. All files in one partition, select it and click on continue. So, okay, I am okay with the partitioning, then click on continue. Select yes to write the changes to disks, then click on continue. See, at the moment only core system is installed. The default selections below will install Kali Linux with its standard desktop environment and default tools. Okay, I am going with Xenom, then click on continue. Now select the disk manager. I am going with GDM3, then click on continue. See, now it is asking us to install the grep loader on the grep loader to your primary drives. Okay, select yes and click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. See, installation is completed. Now it is asking us to make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, now go to VirtualBox manager. See here in optical drive it is empty. So in your case also it must be empty. If it is there, you have to right click and you have to remove. Like then you have to select like remove disk from the virtual disk. Okay, so it's okay. Now click on continue to reboot. Click on it. Provide password. Let me maximize it. Okay, see, we got the full screen. Now click on terminal, then verify more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2024. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux Purple 2024.2 on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.